We're on it. I'm gonna have to make a second plate here to join up nice and smooth with this one. We already drilled the holes for the spots, and the panel wasn't quite right, so we've had to cut it. I didn't want to, but it was protruding way too far out here, and this was already in place perfectly around the holes. 3 screw holes aligned. So I'm just waiting for Gav to come out the toilet. Dude? Yeah. Come on, man. Finds the best times to have a dump. I need to tell him to turn the MIG welder up, because that weld is not good. It's too tall. You gonna be a long time, dude? Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dude, can you turn the welder up to 9?
Yeah.
The left toggle and the middle toggle.
Both to 9?
Yeah. That's it. And take the phone and do the filming. Alright?
Is this live?
No. That's better. Let's took that. And that. Took that. Right, so far.
Do the spots last, because we might have to adjust, you never know.
That's all I can put on at the minute, dude. We need to do a bit more adjusting.
Okay.
Alright?